Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings, here in this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Gemini and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode and fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.